Good morning, children. I am giving you the introduction to the parallel lines and transversal. So let us see one example here. Here two lines are there. These are M and N lines. Okay, they are intersected by a line L. This is the line L. So line L is intersecting this M and N at 2 points. At 2 points. So such when a line intersects two lines at 2 points, that is called transversal. So what is the transversal? The line which will be intersecting two lines at 2 points. Now M and N are the lines. They are intersected by the line L. Okay, at P and Q. So L is the transversal of M and N. L is the transversal of M and N. ओके अगर एक लाइन दो लाइंस को दो पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट, कौन सी पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं यहाँ P एंड Q. सो लाइन L को इसीलिए एक लाइन दो लाइंस को दो पॉइंट में इंटरसेक्ट किए तो उसको ट्रांसवर्सल बोलते हैं. सो वेन एवर ए ट्रांसवर्सल इंटरसेक्ट्स टू लाइन्स 8 एंगल्स आर फॉर्म. नाउ दिस इज द 8 एंगल्स. फर्स्ट 1 2 3, this is the fourth one, 5 6, and this is the seventh one, this is the eighth one. Okay, now these angles have a special name. Now if you see here, I have taken M is the M and N. Let us take the lines. Okay, now this AB is the AB one line and CD one line. So now this is the L. Let us take this line as L. L is intersecting AB and CD or M line and N line. M line is also known as AB line, N line is also known as CD line. They are intersecting this AB and CD at 2 points P and Q. Okay, so now here L is the transversal of M and N. Now if you take, now I will give you one concept. Okay, now let us rub it off. Okay, now let us take. Okay, now this is the one angle. First angle, second angle, third angle, fourth angle, fifth angle, sixth angle, seventh and eighth angles are formed. Okay, now you have this corresponding angles. Now let us take the corresponding angles. What are the corresponding angles? Here 1 and 5, एक बाहर हो तो एक अंदर रहेगी. Okay, 1 and 5, angle 1 and angle 5, they are the corresponding angles. Okay, in the same way here angle 3. Now this is the transversal. L is the transversal. I told. What is transversal? A line intersecting two lines at. So 1 and 5 corresponding angles, सेम साइड ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल. ट्रांसवर्सल के एक ही पॉइंट पे है, एक ही साइड पे है. नाउ 1 and 5 एंड 3 and 7, एंगल 3 एंड ब्लैक पेन से मैं लिख रही हूँ, एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 7. एंगल 3 and angle 7 are the same side of the transversal. They are the corresponding angles. Okay, now let us take left side of the transversal. Now this 2 and 6, angle 2 and angle 6, एक बाहर हो तो एक अंदर होगा, 2 and 6. Okay, then angle 4 and 8, angle 4 and 8. So how many pairs of corresponding angles are there? 4 pairs of corresponding angles. A line intersects two lines, 4 pairs of corresponding angles are formed. Okay, now if lines are parallel, if AB is parallel to CD, otherwise M is parallel to N. Okay, there is one condition. What is that? Angle 1 will be equal to angle 5, angle 3 will be equal to 7, angle 2 will be equal to 6, angle 4 will be equal to 8. That means when two lines intersects a transversal, if corresponding 4 pairs of corresponding angles are formed, if each pair is equal to 1, this is first pair, 1 and 5, second pair 3 and 7, third pair 2 and 6, fourth pair 4 and 8. If they are equal, 1 is equal to 5, then the lines will be parallel. That is the condition. अगर corresponding pair equal हो तो lines parallel होंगे. Now how will you this name this? Now let us take here x and let us take here y. Okay, what is angle 1 here? Angle 1 can be named as x. Now this black pen I am writing xpb. Angle xpb is equal to angle 5. What is angle? This is the p. How will you name this angle 5? p बीच में आना चाहिए. q here is there and d is there. p q d. p q d. जो एंगल है वो लेटर बीच में आने का है. p q d. ओके. नेक्स्ट एंगल 3. व्हाट इज एंगल 3? एंगल 3 यू कैन नेम, ये 3 है उसको कैसे नेम कर सकते हैं? b p q. दिस इज b p q. b p q. This 3 angle b p q is equal to angle 7. What is this angle 7 here? This is the angle 7. उसको कैसे नेम करेंगे हम? This is d here. This is d here. ये 7 चाहिए d और बीच में कौन सी लेटर है? q है. d q. This is y is there. So angle d q y. Okay, then next angle 2 is, angle 2 क्या है? This is the angle 2, other side of the transverse side. एक साइड में 2 रहते हैं, दूसरी साइड में 2 रहते हैं. अभी we have mentioned, now लेफ्ट साइड में मेंशन करें. एंगल 2 कैसे लिखेंगे? x, this is x, this is the angle xpa. With yellow color I am mentioning. xpa is equal to, now एंगल 6 क्या है? दिस इज द एंगल 6, वी ग्रीन कलर. ये बीच में आना चाहिए. बीच में लेटर क्या है? एक्स क्यू आना चाहिए. सो इट कैन बी रिटन एज, दिस इज पी, दिस एंगल. ये पॉइंट का नाम क्या है? पी. ए पॉइंट का नाम क्या है? क्यू सी. सो वी विल बी राइटिंग पी क्यू सी. देन फोर्थ एंगल, दिस इज द फोर्थ एंगल करस्पॉन्डिंग का. सो ए, now I will be using different pen, red pen use करेंगे. A P Q. Fourth angle is A P Q is equal to, now eighth angle. एक लाइन्स के अंदर रहेगी, एक करस्पॉन्डिंग याद रखने का आपको. सेम साइड एक एंगल लाइन्स के अंदर रहे तो एक एंगल लाइन्स के बाहर रहती है. तो एथ चाहिए मुझे. 8 कैसे आएगी? दिस C P and Y. This I am highlighting. Angle C P Y. So when a transverse intersects two parallel lines, 4 corresponding angles are formed. One pair will be on the same side of the transversal. 2 pairs will be on the same side of the transversal, and other will be on 2 pairs of the. Now these 2 angles, they are the right side of the transversal. These 2, they are on the left side of the transversal. So condition is that one will be, all the corresponding angles will be equal. Okay, in the same way, if you take, let us take, let us draw parallel line A and B, same, C and D. Okay, now these are intersected by transversal. These are intersected by the transversal. This is the transversal. Okay, now let us take this name as x, as we taken in the earlier case, this q, and let us take this name as, this is d. Okay. This point is D. Okay, now again, now this is the transversal. Okay, now alternate interior angles. Interior angles इंटीरियर एंगल्स मतलब दो जो एंगल्स लाइंस के पैरेलल लाइन, नाउ दीज आर द पैरेलल लाइन, जो एंगल्स लाइंस के अंदर रहेंगे दे आर कॉल्ड इंटीरियर एंगल्स। ओके, मैं अभी नेम करती हूँ। सपोजिंग देखो, ये 1 ले लो, ये 2 ले लो, 3 ले लो, 4 ले लो। ओके, नाउ एंगल 1, एंगल 1 क्या है? ए angle 1 is, I will be highlighting angle APQ. Angle 1 is APQ. Okay, angle 2 is BPQ. Angle BPQ. Okay, angle 3 is, green से कर रही हूँ, 3 is, this is 3, PQC. This is PQC. Okay, 4 is PQD. PQD. 4 is PQD. Okay, these are the interior angles. How many interior angles are there? 4 pairs of interior angles are there. Now next is alternate angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles क्या होंगे? Now they will be on the opposite side of the transversal. So how they will be on the opposite side of the transversal? Now let us see. Okay, this is the transversal. ब्लू पेन से मैं लिख रही हूँ, ये ट्रांसवर्सल है। ओके, 1 यहाँ है, 4 यहाँ है, ब्लू से मैं कर रही हूँ। 1 और 4 दे आर ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ द फॉर्म। सो 1 and 4, एंगल 1 and एंगल 4, एंड नेक्स्ट इज एंगल 2 and एंगल 3 ऑपोजिट साइड में है। सो दे आर कॉल्ड अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. So when lines are parallel, always this 1 will be equal to 4 and 2 will be equal to 3. So now let us name the what is 1. 1 is equal to APQ. Okay, this is the APQ. Angle APQ is equal to 1. What is angle 4? Angle 4 is equal to, I will take different color so that it will be visible to you. 4 is equal to AQD. This is AQD. This is AQD. So AQD इक्वल होगा ऐसे एंगल 2. एंगल 2 क्या है? यहाँ आपको AQ एंगल 2. एंगल 2 इज BPQ. This is BPQ. Okay. Angle 2 is angle BPQ. Then angle 3A, PQC. Angle PQC. So when a transversal intersects two parallel lines, okay, 2 pairs of alternate angles are formed. How many pairs? 2 pairs of interior angles are formed. Interior alternate angles. How many pairs? 2 pairs. So when lines are not parallel, this will not be equal. 1 will not be equal to 4 and 2 is not equal to 3. But when lines are parallel, 1 will be equal to 4 and 2 will be equal to 3. Okay. Next is the, now same example I will take. This is A and this is B and this is C and this is D. Now let us take transversal here. Let us take transversal here L. Okay, same X, P, Q and Y. Okay, now next we will be learning is interior angles on same side of transversal. Same side of transversal. Now if you take here, Okay, now this is the transversal. Okay, ट्रांसवर्सल का सेम ही साइड है. सपोजिंग ये एंगल ले लो 1 2 3 4. So 1 and 2 are the angles 1 and 2, angle 1 and angle 2 on same side of transversal. Interior angles on same side of transversal. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, angle 3 and angle 4 also, they are the interior angles on same side of transversal. ओके, रूल क्या है? अगर सपोजिंग ए बी इज पैरेलल टू सी डी, एम इज पैरेलल टू एन, इफ यू टेक दिस एज एम and this is n and this is L, m is m and n parallel intersected by the transversal L. What is the transversal? Which will be intersecting two lines at 2 points. So lines parallel भी हो सकते हैं, नहीं भी हो सकते. अगर parallel हो तो then all pairs of corresponding angles will be equal and two pairs of alternate angles will be equal. And third case, this angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to 180 degrees. That means angle 3 plus angle 4 will be equal to 180 degrees. If the lines are parallel, interior angles on same side of the transversal will be supplementary. Supplementary means sum of the angles will be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now let us see what is this angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to here APQ. Okay, I am writing here angle APQ plus angle 2. What is angle 2? Angle 2 is this PQC. Okay, angle PQC is equal to 180 degrees. In the same way, let us take angle 3. So angle 3 is, okay, what is angle 3? Angle 3 is this is angle 3, BPQ. BPQ एंगल जहाँ होती है उसको बीच में लेने का. एंगल BPQ plus angle 4. Angle 4 is PQD. This PQD. Okay, angle PQD is equal to 180 degrees. That is the third one you are learning. 3 cases when two lines intersected by the transversal, then 4 pairs of corresponding angles are formed and each pair will be equal. So these corresponding angles will be on the same side of the transversal. If you take one pair, one will be outside and one will be inside the parallel lines. Okay, 2 will be on the same side and 2 will be on the same side. Total 4 pairs. Okay, when lines are parallel, lines are not parallel, they will not be equal. When the lines are parallel, each pair of corresponding angle will be equal, like this, like I have showed you. 1 is equal to 5, 3 is equal to 6. Second case, okay, interior angles. जो parallel lines के अंदर होते हैं उसको interior angles बोलते हैं. 1 2 3 4, they are the interior angles. Okay, if the lines are parallel, alternate angles, they will be on the opposite, they will be inside the parallel lines and they will be on the opposite sides of the transversal. अभी मैं यहाँ square बनाऊँगी, sorry, cross बनाऊँगी. 1 and 4 ऐसे, supposing. Okay, now यहाँ जो भी है, this is the alternate pair. One pair it will be making. Okay, now one pair it will be making. Okay, so this one pair and this is one pair. So if they are equal, lines will be parallel. If they are not equal, then lines will not be parallel. That is the second case. Okay, third case क्या है? If the two lines are intersected by the transversal, okay, interior angles on the same side of the transversal. These are the parallel lines and this is the 1 2. They are the transversal के एक ही साइड पे है और पैरेलल लाइंस के अंदर है, दैट इज वाई दे आर कॉल्ड इंटीरियर एंगल which are on the same side of the transversal. If the lines are parallel, 1 plus 2 will be equal to 180 degrees. ऐसे ये बाजू 3 and 4 also will be equal to 180 degrees. So we will be solving in the next exercise using all these rules. Thank you.